Episode 3, Challenges and Solutions in Development. Welcome back to our podcast series on development. In this final episode, we will delve into the challenges and the solutions that arise in the pursuit of progress. Development is a complex process that involves addressing various obstacles and finding innovative ways to overcome them. One of the most pressing challenges we face is poverty. Despite significant advancement, millions of people around the world still live in extreme poverty, lacking access to basic necessities and opportunities for a better life. Tackling poverty requires a multidimensional approach that involves empowering individuals, creating economic opportunities, and promoting social welfare. Another major challenge is inequality. The gap between the rich and the poor continues to widen both within countries and between different regions. It hinders inclusive development and perpetuates social and economic disparities. To address this, we need policies that promote equitable distribution of resources, quality education, and equal opportunities for all. Climate change poses yet another significant challenge to development. Rising temperatures, natural disaster, and environmental degradation threaten our planet and the well being of communities worldwide. Mitigating and adapting to climate change requires collective action, sustainable practices, and innovative technologies that minimize our ecological footprint. Now, let us shift our focus to the solutions. Government plays a vital role in creating and enabling environmental environment for development. They need to prioritize investments in education, healthcare, infrastructure, and social protection systems. Policy reforms that promote entrepreneurship, job creation, and fair trade can also drive economic growth and improve living standards. Non-government Non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and individuals are crucial actors in development effort. NGOs often work at grassroots level, implementing projects and programs that address specific needs and empower communities. As individuals, we can contribute by supporting these organizations, volunteering our time, and advocating for the policies that promote sustainable development. Innovative solutions are emerging across the globe. For renewable energy initiative to social entrepreneurship and inclusive business models, individuals and organizations are finding creative ways to tackle development challenges. These initiatives demonstrate that change is possible when we combine passion, knowledge, and resources. As we conclude this podcast series, we encourage you to reflect on your role in development. Remember, you have the power to make a difference by supporting sustainable practices, raising awareness, and actively engaging in your communities. You can contribute to a more inclusive and prosperous world. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of development. We hope that this series has inspired you and provided you with valuable insights. Remember, the pursuit of development is an ongoing process, and together we can build a brighter future for all. Until next time, take care and keep striving for positive change. Thank you.